Hello and welcome to the Hope Nature Centre, home to various different animals, some of which are just waiting for your sponsorship. First up, we keep a couple of piggy wiggies here called Coonies. They're obviously being fed at the moment. God, look at those gnashers. This herd of goats, being led out for walkies, cost just £15 each. Oh, careful there! Now we move on to the popos. We've got 2 stallions and 3 Shetlands just galloping around the park. They cost just £20. They seem very excited to be in their daytime field. And the tortoises have been let out, munching down on some greens. Oop. And then we have lots of chickens and turkey lurkeys out and about also. Yes, we haven't forgotten about you. Whoa! Watch out for these funny memus, both of which are seen in separate aviaries and cost just £25 each. Then we have dozens of tiny, beautiful coloured finches in here. Oh! And also some lovebirds and their beautiful colours. We also have big, puffy sheep. They're so big and woolly. And then we have funny looking alpacas like these ones. They cost about £20. Hello! We also have lots of cheeky bunny rabbits and lots of guinea pigs. They all cost just £10. Then we get to see a couple of owls, again in separate aviaries, one of which a snowy owl, the other one a bobo. They're obviously being fed. Look, watch this. Amazing. These little chipmunks also cost just £10. You can see one there. No, wait, there. Oh, make sure you don't miss them though. They're quick. We have loosey-gooseys. And we also have lucky duckies in a single aviary. And here we keep... Hey, I was going to say that. Honestly. Anyway, we do have an African grey parrot. We also keep a little green parrot. These parrots can be feisty sometimes, so you better pay attention to that sign. And we also have a few little budgies, as well as a few cockatiels. Last of all, we have these striking donkeys, also out for walkies. They also cost just £20. These animals get all the love and support they can get. Thus, your donation can help make a difference to this park. Find out more information through our other site, www.facebook.com/Hope Nature Centre, or reach us on 01225 759 075. Brilliant. Thanks so much for watching. The Hope Nature Centre is depending on you.